Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bad Dreams on piano. First, identify the main melody and the underlying chord progression of the piece. Position your hands comfortably on the keyboard, ensuring your fingers are curved and relaxed. Begin by practicing the right hand melody very slowly, focusing on accurate finger placement for each individual note. This foundational step is crucial for building muscle memory and understanding the piece's structure. Now, let's focus on the right hand. The main melody primarily utilizes notes from the C minor scale, giving it a distinct, melancholic sound. Pay close attention to the rhythmic patterns, especially the interplay of dotted 8th and 16th notes, which create its unique feel. Practice the melody in small, manageable two-measure sections, repeating each section until it feels natural. Using a metronome set to a slow tempo will help you maintain a steady rhythm and improve your timing. Next, we'll tackle the left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation. The left hand typically plays a repeating arpeggiated chord pattern, often outlining chords like C minor, G minor, and F minor. Focus on ensuring smooth and fluid transitions between these chord changes, avoiding any abrupt stops. Maintain a consistent, even volume with your left hand, allowing the right hand melody to remain prominent. This balance is key to the piece's overall sound. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Begin by playing both parts together at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute or even slower. As your accuracy and coordination improve, gradually increase the speed. Don't forget to add dynamics and expression to your performance, bringing out the emotional depth of the music. Consistent practice, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, will lead to significant progress and a beautiful rendition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.